goes on. Up here at 3 in the morning, struggling with my beer. I try and steer myself into leaving, but first I'll scribble down these words on a beer mat. Something's on my mind, I've gotta get out. It's poetry, babe, it's about how I need you. And it goes, you are the light, you are the day, you are my life, and you are my way to salvation. That I feel I'm leading two lives, one by day and one by night. It's all half truths and half lies. There's nothing quite solid to hold on to, just ideas and images passing through the hazy world that is mine without you. You know, you are the light, you are the day, you are my life, and you are my way to salvation. Well, through the haze of the days, the mist of the weeks, into the fog of the years, I stretch out and reach and try to hold on to some sort of conclusion. But the answers, they arrive looking desperately thin after struggling through the blinding wind born from the breath of bullshit kings with whom I sit and share a table. You know, man can say, you are the light, you are the day, you are my life, and you are my way to salvation.